Guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Another day, another printing tayo dito, guys. But this one is output na sa ating ginawa last time na print natin sa ating printer, guys. Yan na yung full product na niya, guys. Finished product na to. Ito yung natapos na. Button type na double placket polo shirt, guys. Ito na yan. Ito yung lahat na ginawa natin last time, print and then ready for pick up na to, guys. Naka 5 threads yung ano natin, yung pagtahi. Ito 5 threads din yan. Yung ano nya, double placket yung napili ni client para sa kanilang polo. And then yan yung front, yan yung front, and then yung back natin is dito. Yan yung back type, back part niya, guys. Okay, yan yung output natin. Yung quality ng print, quality ng tahi, approved sa client, guys. And then ready for pick up na. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. Kindly follow and subscribe na rin sa ating YouTube channel. If you'd like to have a knowledge about printing services, you can visit our channel. Marami tayong mga tutorial doon na ginawa para sa ating mga ka-printer na gustong mag-start ng basic printing services na maka-provide. Nandun yung mga stickers, laminate, and then basic na pag-print, maintenance, nandun rin, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Sport. Good day, guys. Bye-bye.